This isn't your average lift, not even close. It's got your more and then some. Meet the electric hydraulic 1500 lift from Handy. Built with 8-gauge domestic steel, the electric hydraulic 1500 lift is tough enough for whatever you throw at it. With a tabletop size of 86 5/8 inches long by 29 1/2 inches wide and a lifting capacity of 1,500 pounds, you've got a lift begging for a challenge. From a loading height of just 7 1/4 inches from the ground to a maximum working height of 48 inches, the electric hydraulic 1500 lift operates with 120 volts of electricity by way of a convenient two-way hand remote. An extraordinarily smooth lift operation combined with an automated locking safety latch system that offers 10 safety stops gives you the convenience of deciding your ideal working height. For easy loading and unloading, the electric hydraulic 1500 lift comes standard with a 36-inch ramp extension. The tabletop also features a convenient rear dropout panel, plus a front-end drop-down panel, providing easier access for motorcycle tire maintenance or removal. 12-inch side extensions installed in quarters give you the added tabletop size you need to handle and work around motorcycles, ATVs, and more. Add to that minimal maintenance, and the electric hydraulic 1500 lift is ready to work when you are. So blow average out of the water, turning more to do into a job well done. And do it all with the electric hydraulic 1500 lift. Always American made and only from Handy.